What we're doing right here is we got some okra we're breaking up. We waited for it to dry out there on the stalk, and it's time to clean the garden up. Time to get it ready for planting, so we're going to cut all this stuff down. So we went and picked a bunch of this dried okra. We let it dry out there on the stalk, and what I'm doing is breaking it up and getting the seeds out of it. We're going to replant these seeds. So what I'm doing is kind of breaking this up, letting the seeds fall out. Got me a little piece of wire and a bowl. Take this piece of newspaper. I just kind of rake it all off in there. I hear seeds are hitting the floor. We got enough, we're not worried about one or two. The reason I like this newspaper is I can kind of roll it up like this. And then I can pretty easily pour it all down in there. Pour it through that little piece of wire there. That catches a lot of trash off. You don't have to fight with all of that. Now you're going to have a little bit of trash in there, but not to worry, it ain't going to hurt nothing. We're about to get all of it right in here. I've already got more than what I'm going to plant, but it don't hurt to have a little extra. Throw the chaff off in this bucket over here. You shake that around a little bit, and the rest of that light stuff will come to the top. You can kind of finger pick the rest of it out of there that amounts to anything. But it don't have to be perfect. You see right there in just a little bit. That's a small butter bowl, but we got a good bit of seed. Kind of clean that out of there. You can see it's got some stuff in it, but we just kind of pick it out there. You kind of shake it like that. You can see that coming to the top. You can just kind of pick off whatever you don't. But that planter, it'll filter through that. There's nothing in here with that screen. I got anything that would do any damage to the planter or jam it up out of there. When I say jam it up, I mean stop up the planter. You have to bear with my redneck country slang talk. That's just the way we do things down here. It's also just the way we talk. But what I'm showing is just the way normal folks just normally go about, the way we save some seed. A lot of people, they put a lot of technical stuff to it. But it's not really that technical to save seed. We let a lot of stuff sit out there on the plant and dry. And we just go out there, after it's dried on the plant, it'll dry better there on the plant than it will anything else we've done with it. And pick it up, put it inside somewhere and save it. Hang it up in an onion sack or some kind of other mesh bag. And when you get ready to plant it, you can just kind of break all them seeds up like this on the table, save them in separate containers. You can put them in little jars with lid, anything that you can scrounge around and find. I'm probably going to put all of this in a Ziploc bag. I've got some bags that I carried my lunch to work in, and I probably won't reuse them to put food back in, but a little seed Pour them right in there like that. And see, I've got that's out of a gallon Ziploc bag. You can tell about how many seed that is if that hits you. That's a good bit of seed. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to roll it up like this. I'm going to take a Sharpie and write what it is on there. Now I've got enough still in this bucket. I'll probably finish picking them off. I just picked them in an old flower pot. See, it's got the holes in the bottom. But probably what I'll do is clean the rest of them up, and I'll give them to neighbor or mother. I've already give some to my brother-in-law. He plants, and I saved him some. But I'm gonna write on here with this Sharpie what this is. Okra seed. Alright. That job there's done.